Hi everyone, welcome back to my Analytic channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to check and see Instagram Reels, full analytics and engagement. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to check Instagram full analytics and engagements, then I will show you a simple method to do this. First of all, you have to open the browser. In this, you have to search Buzz Analytics. In this, you have to type Buzzlytics. After typing Buzzlytics, just hit enter. You can see here first option. Click on this. Here you can see by default it is selected as TikTok. Just click on this drop down menu. Then select as Reels. Then type the username. Then click on this arrow mark. After that, you will find your all the analytics and engagement of your Instagram. Here you can see videos and the audio, and this you can see clock icon. Just click on this, and here you will find all the details. That's it guys. So in this way you can check and see Instagram Reels, full analytics and engagements. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.